Encryption might sound intimidating, but it's actually part of our everyday digital lives. Whether you're checking your email, shopping online, or sending a message, encryption is there to protect your data. But not all encryption methods are created equal. In this video, we'll break down 3 key encryption methods: TLS, MIME, and PGP. By the end, you'll know which one works best for you and your needs. What is encryption? Encryption is a process that scrambles data, making it unreadable to anyone who isn't authorized to access it. It's like sending a letter in a secret language. If someone intercepts it, it's just gibberish to them. There are 2 main types of encryption: data in transit, like emails or messages being sent, and data at rest, like files stored on your device. Now, let's dive into 3 encryption methods you'll likely come across: TLS, MIME, and PGP. First up is TLS, or Transport Layer Security. If you've ever seen HTTPS in your browser's address bar or noticed a padlock icon, you've encountered TLS. It's the guardian of the internet. Think of TLS like a secure, tamper-proof envelope that protects your data as it travels across the web. It encrypts everything from online banking to social media messages. When your browser connects to a server, they establish a secure connection with a special code. This makes sure no one can peek into your data. Benefits of TLS: works automatically and quietly in the background. Protects data while it's being transmitted. It's used everywhere: online shopping, emails, banking. Limitations: doesn't protect data after it reaches its destination, like your inbox. It doesn't provide encryption for individual messages. MIME, the corporate email protector. Secure multi-purpose internet mail extensions. While TLS secures your data in transit, MIME ensures the actual content of your emails is secure. MIME is widely used in corporate environments. It relies on digital certificates, like ID cards, to prove your identity online. When you send an email with MIME, it encrypts the message using the recipient's public key, ensuring only they can decrypt it. MIME also supports digital signatures, which verify your identity and prove the message hasn't been altered. Benefits of MIME: end-to-end encryption for emails. Verifies the sender's identity with digital signatures. Easily integrates with email platforms like Outlook. Limitations: managing certificates can be tricky for non-techies. Not supported by all email services like Gmail unless you use third-party tools. PGP, the privacy tool for the people. PGP is the go-to for individuals who value privacy. Think journalists, activists, and privacy-conscious users. It's decentralized, meaning you manage your encryption, not a central authority. With PGP, you create a pair of cryptographic keys: a public key, which you share, and a private key, which you keep secret. When someone sends you a message, they encrypt it with your public key, and only your private key can decrypt it. PGP also lets you digitally sign messages, proving you sent them and that they haven't been altered. Benefits of PGP: strong end-to-end encryption for emails and files. You control your own encryption keys. It's highly customizable and secure. Limitations: it has a steep learning curve for beginners. Not integrated into most email clients by default. Which one should you use? TLS is perfect if you want basic protection for browsing or sending emails. It's already built into most apps and browsers. MIME is ideal for corporate use, especially if you need to protect sensitive emails and prove who sent them. PGP is best for those who prioritize privacy and want full control over their encryption, but it requires a bit of setup. Now, if you're ready to strengthen your cybersecurity skills and protect yourself online, I have a free resource for you. Download our free security checklist at Tileris.com. It's packed with simple, actionable steps to help you stay safe and build your knowledge. Want more personalized help? You can request a free consultation with our cybersecurity experts. Or if you're curious how Tileris works in real time, request for a demo to see how Tileris AI agents work. Now let's get back to the business of the day. Encryption doesn't have to be confusing or reserved for tech experts. Whether it's securing your internet browsing, protecting emails, or ensuring private communication, each encryption method has its strengths. Start by checking your email client for encryption support. And remember, taking small steps towards better security can make a big difference in keeping your data safe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.